Brown bear. The brown bear is a large mammal that belongs to the family Ursidae. They are found in various regions across the northern hemisphere, including North America, Europe, and Asia. Brown bears are typically characterized by their large size, with males often weighing over 1,000 pounds. These bears have a shaggy coat of fur that can range in color from light brown to dark brown, and even black in some subspecies. They have strong limbs, sharp claws, and a powerful sense of smell, which they use to find food such as berries, nuts, fish, and small mammals. Brown bears are known for their hibernation habits, in which they can sleep for several months during the winter. During this time, their heart rate slows down, and their body temperature drops significantly, allowing them to conserve energy until spring arrives. Despite their size and strength, brown bears are generally shy and avoid humans, but they can be dangerous when provoked or surprised. It's important to treat these animals with respect and keep a safe distance when observing them in the wild. Here are some interesting facts about the life of brown bears. Number 1. Brown bears can live up to 25 to 30 years in the wild if they avoid human encounters and hunting. Number 2. Brown bears are omnivores, meaning they eat both plants and animals. Their diet varies depending on the season and their location, but typically includes berries, nuts, roots, fish, small mammals, and carrion. Number 3. During hibernation, brown bears can survive for several months without eating, drinking, or defecating. They slow down their metabolism and rely on stored fat reserves to survive. Number 4. Brown bears are excellent swimmers and can swim long distances in search of food or to reach mating partners. Number 5. Female brown bears usually give birth to 2 or 3 cubs at a time, who stay with their mother for up to 3 years before becoming independent. Number 6. Brown bears are solitary animals, except during the mating season and when mothers are caring for their cubs. Number 7. Brown bears have a keen sense of smell, which they use to detect prey, danger, and other bears in the area. Number 8. Brown bears are important ecological indicators, as their presence and behavior can affect the health of entire ecosystems. Number 9. In some cultures, brown bears are considered sacred animals, and their parts are used for medicinal and spiritual purposes. Number 10. Human activities, such as habitat destruction, hunting, and climate change, are major threats to brown bears worldwide. Conservation efforts are crucial to ensure the survival of these magnificent animals. Brown bears face a variety of biological challenges, many of which are related to their size, habitat requirements, and reproductive strategies. Here are some examples. Number 1. Food scarcity. Brown bears require a large amount of food to sustain their massive bodies, and they can face periods of food scarcity due to seasonal changes or human activities, such as habitat destruction or overfishing. Number 2. Hibernation. Hibernation is a crucial adaptation for brown bears to survive harsh winters, but it also puts them at risk of starvation, predation, and disease, as they are vulnerable while sleeping in their dens. Number 3. Mating. Brown bears have a complex mating system, with males competing for access to females and mating with multiple partners. This can lead to injuries, disease transmission, and genetic inbreeding. Number 4. Human-wildlife conflicts. As human populations expand and encroach on bear habitats, conflicts can arise between bears and people. Brown bears can become habituated to human food sources and become more aggressive, leading to negative interactions and potential removal of the animal. Number 5. Climate change. Climate change can have a range of impacts on brown bears, including changes in food availability, shifting migration patterns, and increased exposure to pathogens and parasites. Number 6. Habitat fragmentation. Brown bears require large areas of contiguous habitat to survive, but human activities, such as road building, logging, and development, can fragment and isolate populations, reducing genetic diversity and increasing vulnerability to disease. Number 7. Poaching and hunting. Brown bears are often hunted for their meat, fur, and other body parts, which can lead to population declines and ecosystem imbalances.